This half duplex on 0.45-acre lot on Swansea Road is a great family home, offering a quiet, secluded lifestyle with a big yard. It has a great entry and almost 1,000 square feet on this main floor, with big picture window, lots of natural light, open living space, and brand new kitchen with double patio doors leading out to a very nice, new, large outdoor living space. You've got newer appliances and a nice sized breakfast nook. Here we are in the primary bedroom. It has double closets and is a nice size. The bathroom has been completely redone with tile floors, and you have a second bedroom on the main. Now to check out downstairs. Here's another nice brand new bathroom with double shower, laundry space, and extra storage. You have a great big rec room, couple large windows for extra natural sunlight, and a wood stove that heats most of the home. Your third bedroom is located on this floor. As you can see, it is a fully fenced lot with a 30 by 28 shop that has a 2,000-pound ceiling hoist, plenty of gardens, a hot tub, and of course a fire pit for your family enjoyment.